All right, today we're reading a Steam Deck protective case, and what you get is pretty much a flexible case. I just wanted to let you see it before we actually put it on the actual Steam Deck. It has plenty of vents for the actual ventilation of the GPU and CPU. The actual buttons are flexible in here in the top, and they're flush with it. We're going to actually demonstrate right now how flush they get. It has a little kickstand, if you guys can see it. Now, this is perfect for a holiday. If you're going to give this out as a gift or maybe for the holidays, this is perfect. Or if you just bought one and you want to protect your case, this is a perfect thing to do. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it works. All right, so here it is. We just set it up and everything's flush, well fit. Now, I want to show you guys in a bit how slim this case is. And it's protective, of course. You know, it's a little hard case in the bottom, but it's flexible as it is. All the vents, all the buttons, everything's accessible, especially when you're going to charge it, and especially on and off button, and even your trigger buttons, you have access to them. And then plus, you have this little kickstand here on the side. You can see the side profile. I'm going to show you guys the side profile. It doesn't take too much space, so if you want to play hands-free, you can. If you want to watch a movie, you can, just by setting it up. Simple, and at the end of the day, just close it out, and that's it. Overall, it's a well-made case. Now, the only thing I would recommend you is get the glass protective cover too, and you'll be fully enclosed in protective gear here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.